Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here again. For those people that don't know me, my name is Wuraola, and what I enjoy doing most is cooking and showing you guys different type of recipes that you can make from different type of food. So today you're going to be coming grocery shopping all with me. I'm going to be showing you the way I buy my stuff when I go to the supermarket. This is probably the first time I'm actually doing this on camera, so it's about to get interesting. So guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. If you're old to my channel and you're already subscribed, thank you very much. You are the G, you are my OG. So let's get quick into the video right away. Okay guys, so I'm in real Canadian superstore now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm going to be getting, so stay tuned. Bro. Probably do that I'm looking for olive oil right now. Let's go ahead and get it. I take the difference. There's a difference actually. This one is kind of thick and this one is light. See? So which one should we go? This one is extra, this one is pure. Go with pure today.
What are you trying to make?
I'm not making anything like this. I'm just trying to get like stuff that is gonna last me for a long time at home. International was a section. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, they have our pumpkin chips.
Is that healthy? Madam Healthy Johnny.
It is. Let's fast. That's what I'm buying. Let's fast. Motivation. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this. See, Jane, they're spamming us. $6. And fresh, that's right. Well, then to drive all the way here, it's not easy.
Fresh coins.
I'm gonna get one. Oh my god. I'm actually thinking of trying a new one in case they disconnect this thing. Because I need it for YouTube videos. And the container is nice. Wow. I'll probably try it today. I'm gonna make some. I've been scammed. So I'm getting rice, as you know, that's a normal thing.
Rice.
You can't stay away from it. Wow.
So why did you choose that one?
Yeah, because it's long grain and what's it called?
It's cheap.
It's not that cheap. That's the highest that you could actually get. The next is like white rice, and I don't eat white rice. I only eat brown rice. So I got that because I actually love brown rice. I'm going to go to my most favorite section when I come shopping. I don't know where it is because this is the first time I'm actually getting it from their place. My drink, because I stopped taking pop generally since a long time ago. So I started taking juice. So I'm going to eat juice section. Yeah, this is my section.
Bro. I feel like this is heaven for you.
I'm thinking about which one to try. Lemonade, Techi, but then cranberry and lemon. Actually, this one. Let's put this good. So I think I'm done for Great Canadian Superstore. Now I'm just gonna head to check out. Oh, I don't know, should I use self-checkout? Yeah, we should do that. So I'm gonna go check out that, and then we're going to go to the next supermarket.
Yep.
Seriously, Jay, when you think about this, is it better to just get this or to just get the counted ones? Counted ones are always better.
Say something.
So I'm just stocking up on peppers right now before it goes up and before I go broke after I think. So this is why I always do when I have money. I buy a lot of stuff, just store them in my freezer, and from there we move forward. I just use them to cook. So I'm at Fresh right now, and I always like get nice deals on the peppers. Anything related to food stuff. That just happened.
Hola.
I'm trying to get steak today. Which one? A very stingy person. So I'm gonna get this because it's 578 and this is 596.
So because of a couple of cents. much did you spend on the first one?
109.
And how much do you think you're gonna spend here?
$100. I mean, you get a month of food, so which is good.
Lying. This thing will finish in 9 months.
I said it. Okay, so I'm actually at the African store right now. I'm just trying to get some African foods for the month. So let's go ahead and get that right away.
That one you're doing pepper soup. What's your name?
Wuraola.
Say it again.
Wuraola.
Wuraola. Where is that from?
Nigeria, your state.
Oh, you're. Oh, Wuraola. Yeah, I've never heard like that before. Wuraola that is shopping. They buy everything.
So we're actually at an African store. They sell a lot of Nigerian stuff here. So if you're in Windsor, you can come check it out. They have a lot of things from back home. Yeah. Bro, what are you trying to get? What do you want to make?
I don't know yet. I'm just gonna get different type of things and we'll see how that turns out. Damn, when I got home and I unpacked everything, seriously, I knew I got a lot of stuff. And I was even thinking, wait, am I the one that actually got this? So I feel like the best way for you to do your grocery shopping is actually write down your list of what you actually want. So that's what I did basically, and I still got some extra stuff which was good also. So I got like poultry, minced turkey, got chicken wings, got a chicken thigh, got steak, I got a stewing beef, drinks, seasoning, olive oil. I got palm oil, iced coffee, ice cream, frozen fruit, paprika, candies. I got corn, got cucumbers, I got salad, I got bread, I got soap, I got snacks for the night, I got tangerines, frozen fruits, peppers, and all sorts of other stuff. Plantain chips, tuna fish, because I really love fish. And I got rice, you know. So basically, this is everything I have here. The total that I spent, let's see how much that is. Well, for the African store, I spent like about $130, and Freshco, I spent $74. That's it. And for Real Canadian Superstore, I spent $119.63. That's after I actually, wait, let's see. So altogether, I spent about almost $300 worth of grocery hauls. Hey guys, this is about to be lasting a long time in a long run. Let's see how that goes actually. So guys, thank you very much.